So we have a tri-foldable phone patent from Samsung, and it's quite the interesting one. So let's go ahead and look at it. Starting off right away, this is a Samsung double foldable smartphone, which is a tri-foldable smartphone. This is the back of the phone. So the camera setup here this is like the actual back of the phone, because this right here goes ahead and folds inside, and then this folds on top of that. So it's like a triple stack pancake combo type concept, right? We got a triple stack camera on the back here, a front facing camera. But look at the size of this though, like the outside display. This is the same size as like the Z Fold 5. Or, yeah, really, is this the same size as Z Fold 6? It looks like the Z Fold 5 size, honestly. It doesn't even look like Z Fold 6 size. It's long, narrow. That's why I'm always kind of iffy about tri-foldable phones. I just don't know if they're ever going to truly work. Maybe they will in the end. Maybe one day they'll work out. I'm just kind of skeptical about it because of, again, not only durability, but just practicability of these. You know, it's a cool gimmick, it's a cool idea, but look at that bad boy right here. So we got a hinge right here, another hinge right here, the loudspeaker, USB-C port, microphone port, and then we have that triple stack right here of beautiful pancakes. Okay, so the inside display, you can see this one is like not half the size of this, but it's smaller. And you can see right here on this patent, it does go ahead and almost goes completely over the screen, but not 100%. Wait, hold up. Yeah, so there's a gap. Or no, that gap is going to be the hinge. So the hinge actually goes inside a little bit for the inside display. So the inside display, this little display right here is the one that's going to house the USB-C port, which is the charging port. And it's also going to house the little hinge thing. So you have this little gap inside with the hinge and the inside display. This is so freaking weird. I mean, I know it works, obviously. It's worked for the Huawei Mate XT, and Samsung's going to release one of these this year. So, it's not like it's... The concept works, it's just such a weird concept. So, there's magnets right in this hinge, and then on the end of this screen that keeps the phone connected together. So it won't just open up by itself. So it's not like you're just using it, right? And then randomly the back screen just kind of flies open. It has magnets that keeps it closed. So right now, like for example, if you have a Z Fold series or you have a Pixel 9 Pro Fold or OnePlus Open, whatever, in order to keep the phone closed, you have a hinge that closes the phone together, right? You don't need magnets to keep it closed. If you want to open it up, really the hinge is what keeps it closed. Well, because it's a tri-foldable phone, they have magnets that pretty much connect the hinge to the display together so that it doesn't open up by itself, which I guess makes a lot of sense, but yeah. It's a weird concept. I mean, hey, all power to you. I don't think this will ever get released in America, though. I think this will forever just be a phone that gets released in, like, China and South Korea, and that's pretty much that. I don't think it's going to be international. Maybe it is. Maybe it one day does go international. I just highly doubt it, because I just don't think internationally they would make enough money for how much this is going to cost, because these tri-foldable phones retail for above $3,000. Which is crazy to say out loud, especially in the economy we live in, for $3,000 for a tri-foldable phone. $1,800 is a lot of money to ask for a foldable cell phone. And that's after 7 years of dedication by Samsung of mastering a product. I can't imagine after literally not even 1 year, just brand new product. $3,000, by the way. Yeah, it's not going to work. It's not going to happen. But you know what? The cool concept is we get to see the industry get pushed forward and new devices like this come out. So, pretty excited for that. See you guys next one, though.